Hello lovelies, Lolo Chic here, coming at you with a back to school video slash just school video because I think everyone's already started school, but that's okay, we give ourselves grace. I wanted to make a video for you guys about how to feel your best for school, whether you have already started, whether you are about to start, whatever it is. Feel your best, feel confident, and feel prepared and organized, because who doesn't want to feel like that? And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Something that I love to do for any big event, for school, for every day, just for some self-care, is I love to take care of my skin. And so a mask that I've been using that has actually worked wonders is the Alia Skin Pink Clay Face Mask. It smells like roses. It's made out of Australian pink clay, which is like the coolest thing. I've been wanting to try it for a long time. I like to do it a few nights a week because then when I wake up my skin is fresh and glowy, and it's actually really helped with my acne. I don't know about you guys, but I usually break out quite a bit in the beginning of school because I'm very stressed, and so it's a great way to like relax at the end of the day. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, which is amazing, and it's great for sensitive skin, so it's pretty much everything you could want and more. You can use my coupon code LOLOCHIC for, I don't remember how much off, but I'll put it right here. So my second tip for feeling your best for back to school is get fit and active, and I don't mean for aesthetic purposes at all. I always try to avoid watching and definitely making videos about like losing weight for back to school. That is just not something that I believe in. I think that exercise is amazing and nourishing your body is amazing if you do it right. I've just been trying to listen to my body and see what I need to do to feel my best, and I think like how you look follows that, but it's so much more important to feel your best on the inside and physically feel your best, and then you can look your best. So I recently hiked to the Hollywood sign with my friends, and it was like insane. 5 miles, super hot, but it was the best feeling once I got there, the best sense of accomplishment. Going on hikes is such a great way to hang out with your friends, get some good exercise, and to feel amazing afterwards. It helps you sleep better, helps you feel better, you'll have more energy, you'll feel accomplished. It's the best. Or, Izzy, are you okay, baby? I'm gonna go check on my dog. And something that I've been doing to help myself feel better, get some good nutrients in my body, have more energy, is I have been making smoothie bowls. I like to use frozen fruit, usually from Trader Joe's. We love Trader Joe's. I'm pretty sure when I filmed these clips, I didn't really have the ingredients I typically use. I typically use frozen mango, frozen berries, and I've been putting avocado and spinach in sometimes. That makes it less aesthetically pleasing, but like, I'd rather have a good source of vitamins than a good Instagram picture, if we're being honest. And I also like to add protein powder. I just use the Tone It Up one that I got at Target. And if you put it in a cute little mason jar, you can take it with you. I like to add almond butter granola and honey on the top as well. I have that a lot of times for breakfast, and then I'll make like a lot so I can have some for an after school snack as well. So make your space creative. I DIY'd a little inspiration board. I just found a rose gold wire grid photo display on Amazon, and I printed out some photos just at Target. I already had some little mini clothes pins that I think I got from Michael's a long time ago, and I just arranged them to my liking on the wire grid and hung it up by my desk, and I love it. It is so fun. It's a good way to add photos and quotes and inspiration to your room without looking too cluttered, and it's super aesthetic and super fun, and I love it. Also, just keep your room clean. I'm not the best example for this, but keeping your room clean really does help so much. When my room is clean, my life is just a little bit easier. So my last tip is write out your goals. So this could be whether you are just starting school, you are not even in school, you're in the middle of school, I don't know. It's important to visualize your goals and see kind of like what you want out of your life, to be honest. I wrote out personal, academic, and other goals for my senior year, just for like the year overall, but it's also always great to write out daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, etc. just to kind of keep you inspired, keep you on track, hold you accountable. A lot of my goals involve kind of like prioritizing my mental health and making every day count and just kind of enjoying my life more in general, not letting stress take over like it often does. So those are a few tips on how to feel your best for back to school. Comment below your favorite things to do to feel good in general, and also a goal that you have for this year or this stage of life that you are currently in. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give it a big ol' thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to Alia Skin for sending me your Australian pink clay face mask. I genuinely love it. Make sure to use my coupon code lolo sheek if you want one as well. I wish you all the best. Happy new school year, and I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh, that was difficult.